Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we celebrate the life of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the renowned aerospace scientist and the 11th President of India. Known as the Missile Man of India, he played a pivotal role in India's space and missile programs, inspiring millions with his vision for a developed nation. Join us as we explore his remarkable journey, his contributions to science and education, and the lasting legacy he left behind. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931 in Rameswaram, a small coastal town in Tamil Nadu, India. He was the youngest of the four siblings in a humble Muslim family. His father Jainuddin was a boat owner and his mother Ashi Amma was a homemaker. Growing up in a modest environment, Kalam faced financial challenges that shaped his character and determination. Despite these hardships, he was a bright student with a keen interest in learning. His early education took place in Swartz High School, where he showed exceptional aptitude in mathematics and science. Inspired by the stories of his teachers and the influence of his parents, who instilled strong values of hard work and integrity, Kalam developed a profound desire to pursue education. These formative years laid the foundation for his future as a scientist and leader as he learned the importance of perseverance, dreams, and the pursuit of knowledge. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam faced several hardships throughout his early life that shaped his character and determination. Born into a humble family, Kalam's parents had limited means. His father, a boat owner, struggled to provide for the family, which often made it difficult to afford educational expansion. Growing up in Rameswaram, access to quality education and resources was minimal. Despite this, Kalam was determined to pursue his studies and often had to rely on borrowed books. As a child, Kalam helped his father sell newspapers to support the family. This experience taught him the value of hard work and responsibility from a young age. While he excelled in his studies, Kalam faced skepticism for some teachers and peers due to his background. However, he remained focused on his goals and worked diligently to overcome these doubts. Growing up in a religious and culturally diverse community, Kalam experienced the societal challenges associated with being part of a minority group. This, however, also helped him develop a sense of unity and respect for all. These hardships instilled resilience and strong work ethic in Dr. Kalam, motivating him to dream big and strive for excellence despite the obstacles he faced. After completing his schooling at Swartz High School in Rameswaram, he faced the challenge of continuing his education due to financial constraints. Despite these difficulties, he excelled academically, fueled by his strong desire to pursue knowledge. He often studied late into the night, and his interest in science and mathematics began to blossom, inspired by his teachers and scientific concepts they introduced. Kalam's dedication earned him a scholarship to attend St. Joseph's College in Tiruchirappalli, where he pursued a degree in physics. During this time, he developed a deep fascination with aerospace, which would later shape his career path. His teenage years were also characterized by a commitment to his family values and a strong sense of responsibility. As he helped support his family by working various jobs, these formative experiences instilled in him resilience, curiosity, and the ambition that would drive him toward his future successes in science and technology. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had a distinguished career marked by groundbreaking achievements in aerospace and defense technology. After graduating in aerospace engineering from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, he joined the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO in 1958, where he began his work on military technology. His pivotal role at the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO led to India's first successful satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 in 1980, which placed the Rohini satellite into orbit. Kalam became renowned as the Missile Man of India for his leadership in developing critical missile systems like Agni and Prithvi, which significantly enhanced India's defense capabilities. His contributions were pivotal during the 1998 Pokhran II nuclear test, establishing India as a nuclear power. In 2002, he was selected as the 11th President of India, serving until 2007, where he earned the title People's President due to his ability to connect with the youth and his advocacy for education and innovation. Throughout his career, he received numerous accolades including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, and authored several influential books such as The Wings of Fire. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam passed away on July 27, 2015 at the age of 83. He collapsed while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management in Shillong, Meghalaya, whereas he was speaking to students about his vision for the future of India. Despite immediate medical attention, he could not be revived. His sudden death shocked the nation as he was a beloved figure known for his humility, inspirational leadership, and dedication to education and youth empowerment. Kalam's contribution to science, technology, and the nation were widely recognized, and his passing was mourned by millions across India and beyond. Tributes poured in from leaders, students, and the public, highlighting his legacy as the people's president and a champion of dreams. He was laid to rest with a full state honor in his hometown of Rameswaram, where a large number of people gathered to pay their respects. His death marked the end of an era, but his teaching and ideals continue to inspire countless individuals around the world even today. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library.